As the road construction between Tekang to Mon headquarter remains incomplete due to heavy rains, the Konyak Union Mon Unit on Sunday directed the Affluent Enterprise and Services to complete the work within the stipulated time of 24th March 2023. The union further stated that if the work is not satisfied as per the project report and the timeline given by the enterprise, then union will take its own course of action. Meanwhile, the union also inspected the Mon-Namtola road construction second phase on Saturday.
Nagaland TV, Sob Manulaga Awas. Watch us live on Geo TV and on your television sets as well. For Dimapu viewers, we are on channel number 994 in Global Chapter, and Kohima and Mokokchung viewers, switch to channel number 138 on Hornbill Digital. For all news and updates, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and Twitter.